Hello dear students, welcome to our MyBully classes. Now let's study our second lesson, a synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. अभी सबसे पहले क्या बेटा, synopsis का मतलब क्या है? A brief summary. Okay. The Swiss family Robinson. Now see, before starting the lesson, क्या करना है आपको? Open the textbook. Whenever you will watch this video, you have to open the textbook, keep pencil in your hand and write down the difficult meanings of the words. The Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel. Okay? अभी ये जो लेसन हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं वो क्या है? एक नॉवेल की छोटी सी स्टोरी है. एक नॉवेल की छोटी सी समरी है. और वो नॉवेल कौन सा है? It is called as adventure novel. Adventure novel means what? A novel in which we can see exciting events, journey और voyage. जिसमें कुछ एडवेंचर है, कुछ थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस है, ओके, कुछ सरप्राइज एलिमेंट है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एडवेंचर नॉवेल. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. As we have enjoyed Ramayana and Mahabharata, so this novel is also enjoyed by people of many countries. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. The novel, written by Swiss clergyman Johann David Hess. किसने लिखा है ये नॉवेल? स्विस क्लर्जीमैन, दैट मीन्स प्रीस्ट, जोहान डेविड हीस, is not just an adventure, but it aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance. Self-reliance मतलब क्या? Self-sufficiency, self-dependent. It aims at teaching young values like self-reliance, that means reliance on one's own powers, determination, love for your family, cooperation and prudent use of resources. Prudent का मतलब क्या है? Care and thought for future. मतलब ये सिर्फ एक नॉवेल नहीं है. It is not just the story of a novel, but it teaches us some values like self-sufficiency, determination, love for the family and cooperation, and how to use our resources by caring or by thinking for future. It also has good lessons relevant in natural sciences, good husbandry. Husbandry मतलब क्या बेटा? Farming or agriculture, and even mathematics. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent, but we consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. ये नॉवेल क्या है? इट इज़ नॉट क्या बोलते हैं, फैक्ट. ये फैक्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्चुअल इवेंट्स, बट इट इज़ अ वर्क ऑफ फिक्शन. फिक्शन का मतलब क्या है? हमारा इमेजिनेशन, विच इज़ नॉट रियल. ओके. गिवन बिलो इज अ सिनॉप्सिस, दैट मीन्स एन आउटलाइन स्टोरी ऑफ इट्स बेसिक स्टोरी. नाउ लेट्स see the story of the novel. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Major characters कौन है नॉवेल के? विलियम, एलिजाबेथ and also their children. एक बार क्या हुआ था? They were traveling in a ship, but the ship was caught in a storm. The other passengers evacuated without them. इवैक्यूएटेड मीन्स मूव टू अ सेफर प्लेस. अभी शिप पर जितने भी पैसेंजर्स थे वो सारे एक दूसरी जगह पर शिफ्ट हो गए. बट एलिजाबेथ, विलियम एंड देयर चिल्ड्रन, दे वर अलोन ऑन द शिप. वो दूसरी जगह पर नहीं जा पाए. द अदर पैसेंजर्स इवैक्यूएटेड विदाउट देम. विलियम एंड हिज फैमिली इंक्लूडिंग द यंग चिल्ड्रन, फ्रिट्स, अर्नेस्ट, जैक एंड फ्रांस, were left to survive alone. ये सारे family members, William, Elizabeth and their children, they were left alone on that ship. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. अभी वो फैमिली कहाँ पहुँच गई? विद इन द साइट ऑफ अ ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट आइलैंड, ट्रॉपिकल hottest place. The next morning, they decided to get into the island. They constructed a vessel out. The next morning, they decided to get into the island. They could see beyond the reef. Reef मतलब क्या? A line of rocks or sand above or below the surface of the sea. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. अभी उन्होंने क्या क्या किया? They constructed a boat out of the vessels. और उनके पास में जो भी कीमती सामान था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूड, अदर एम्यूनेशन और एनी अदर आर्टिकल्स which were important. All those they kept in that boat. Two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry, tools, books, a disassembled pinnace, pinnace means a small boat, and provisions had also survived. मतलब उनके साथ साथ ये सारे चीज़ें भी उनकी बोट पर थी. Over the next few days, William कौन है? He is father. Attached the floatable old kegs. Kegs मतलब barrel और drum और tub to one another and built a bow. Bow means a weapon for shooting arrows. Bow and arrow हम लोग जिसको बोलते हैं. The family had landed successfully on the island. Now, the family was successful to land on that island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. Now see, prudent use of resources, ये हमने सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में पढ़ा है. तो रिसोर्सेज मतलब क्या? अभी वहाँ पे जो भी चीज़ें अवेलेबल थी, टू मेक गुड यूज़ ऑफ देम. नाउ ग्रास, अभी वो ग्रास का कैसा फ़ायदा किया उन्होंने? दे कट द ग्रास एंड स्प्रेड टू सर्व एज देयर बेड. ग्रास का क्या बनाया उन्होंने बेड्स बनाए. दे केम टू अ ग्रूव ऑफ ट्रीज. ग्रूव मतलब ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रीज. वन ट्री ग्रीव वॉट लुक लाइक गोर्ड्स ऑन इट. गोर्ड्स का मतलब क्या है? इट इज़ अ लार्ज फ्लैशी फ्रूट विथ अ हार्ड स्किन. एक टाइप का फ्रूट है वो जिसकी जो स्किन है वो बहुत हार्ड रहती है. वॉट लुक लाइक गोर्ड्स ऑन हिज ट्रंक. द फादर टोल्ड फ्रिट्स the goats would make excellent bowls and spoons and they cut them into various utensils. अभी फादर ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि वो जो गोट्स थे उनके वो क्या बना सकते हैं? दे कैन मेक एक्सेलेंट bowls and spoons. That means see the intelligence of the father. Okay. Similarly, we are studying the character of father also. See his intelligence and his prudent use of all the resources what were available with them. अभी उन्होंने ग्रास का बेड बनाया. देन आउट ऑफ द गोड ऑफ दैट हार्ड स्किन ऑफ द फ्लैशी फ्रूट दे मेड बोल्स, स्पून्स एंड ऑल्सो कट देम इनटू वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ यूटेंसिल्स. आफ्टर सम डेज एलिजाबेथ इन्फॉर्म्ड विलियम दैट शी वांटेड द फैमिली टू मूव टू अ सेफर प्लेस. अभी वो जहाँ पे रह रहे थे, एलिजाबेथ को लगा दैट प्लेस इज नॉट एट ऑल सेफ फॉर देम. देयर करंट कैम्प वॉज नॉट ओनली एक्सपोज्ड बट ऑल्सो वेरी ड्राई एंड हॉट. हॉट ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट में थे ना वो, तो वहाँ का टेम्परेचर बिल्कुल हॉट था, ड्राई था. इफ़ दे बिल्ट अ हाउस अप इन वन ऑफ द लार्ज ट्रीज दे वुड बी सेफ फ्रॉम जैकल्स. अभी उनको एनिमल्स से उनको सेफ बनाना था. सो मदर डिसाइडेड टू मेक अनदर हाउस. शी डिस्क्राइब्ड अ परफेक्ट ट्री फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extended straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. Now see father. अभी वो tree, उसकी branch. So determining the height of the branch. Father ने क्या सिखाया? Again, to his children, he taught geometry, how to measure big objects. Okay. He measured a defined distance from the trunk. Then he calculated angles using several measured rods, determining that the lowest branch was 30 feet off the ground. And now, in this way, they created their second home. The men knotted a rope at certain intervals and they attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Thus, they created their ladder. Ladder मतलब क्या? सीढ़ी. Father returned to the beach and collected driftwood. Driftwood मतलब क्या? Pieces of wood floating on the sea. Students, please write down the meanings. Pieces of wood floating on the sea. Thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge. Sledge मतलब क्या? It is a kind of vehicle for conveying loads or passengers. Okay, it is a kind of vehicle for conveying loads or passengers on runners rather than wheels. Later, they used it to transport materials. Meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. अभी एलिजाबेथ ने क्या किया था? उसका जो घर था एक गार्डन था घर के अंदर. So she was developing that garden. And in that garden she was tending producing healthy plants. अभी कौन से plants थे देखो. Corn, melons, pumpkins, cucumbers. They were already growing. The next day, only the father and Fritz traveled to the woods, exploring and finding such exotic plants as one with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. Now, again, which another thing was made by them? Candles. और एक उनको waxy fruit मिला था. When they were finding plants, they got one waxy fruit and they decided that using this fruit candles can be made. So from which his father claimed that they could make boots also. Fritz discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap. उन्होंने एक ऐसा झाड़ ढूंढ के निकाला था जिसके रबर से वो क्या बना सकते थे. They could make the boots. Now see, अभी उन्होंने क्या क्या बनाया था? ग्रास का बेड, फिर वो जो हार्ड स्किन का एक फ्रूट था उससे bowls, utensils. Now the father taught geometry to the students. Now they had decided to make candles also, and now they had discovered that boots can also be made. Thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Fritz came up with the new idea of a cave. Now again they decided to shift their home. अभी फ्रिट्स की आइडिया क्या थी? क्या बनाएंगे वो? They would make a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out their own cave in the rock, abutting their camping site. Abutting का मतलब क्या है? Having common boundary. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked dimensions for an opening and they picked away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers and shovels. ये सारे tools उनके पास थे. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. Windows बनाए किसके लिए? So that air could pass, air could flow, cross currents. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pool and hung a large oil lamp and they had rescued from the ship. अभी शिप में जो भी सामान उन्होंने बचाया था उसमें क्या था? One large oil lamp. So he hung that lamp. One day they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. अभी एक दिन उनको क्या पता चला बेटा? That जो हाउस उन्होंने बनाया है, one of the huts, completely it was trampled and ruined. Trampled का मतलब क्या है? It was crushed totally. किसी के पैरों के नीचे कुचल देना. अभी हमारे पैरों के नीचे वो कुचल सकता है क्या? No. So definitely we can say some animal might have crushed और वो एनिमल कौन सा हो सकता है? इट इज़ एन एलिफेंट. एंड रूइंग का मतलब क्या है? पूरी तरह से डैमेज हो गया था वो. देयर वर ह्यूज फुटमार्क्स एवरीवेयर. फादर सॉ मैसिव डैमेज. मैसिव मतलब ह्यूज डैमेज टू ट्रीज as well as many huge footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. herd मतलब क्या है? ग्रुप. एलिफेंट का herd बोलते हैं उसको. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. Now again they decided to build another house. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence. Rather than building a house on stilts, which the elephant could knock down easily, they would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built another safe home. Again, उन्होंने एक क्या बनाया? They built another safe home from the animals. Got it? समझ में आया? कितने सारे घर बना रहे थे वो. Now 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men and their parents were very proud. अभी कितने साल बीत गए? पूरे 10 साल बीत गए. अभी जो छोटे बच्चे थे they were now grown ups. And उनके पेरेंट्स भी कैसे हैं? They were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. उन्होंने वो आइलैंड को क्या नाम दे दिया? न्यू स्विट्ज़रलैंड. Many adventures occurred over the years. Adventures, I told you, thrilling experience, excitement. Many adventures occurred in those 10 years. कितने सारे घर उन्होंने बदले थे, कितने सारे घर बनाए थे. And they had made good use of resources, whatever available with them. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross. Albatross, it is a seabird, okay, name of a bird, which was threatening to attack him and found a rag. Rag मतलब क्या? Piece of old cloth. To the large bird's leg. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. English woman, one woman was stranded. Stranded मतलब क्या? She was left alone. She was completely helpless. कहाँ पे? एक स्मोकिंग रॉक पे. फ्रिट्स हैड नो आइडिया हाउ ओल्ड द मैसेज वॉज. अभी वो मैसेज कब का था? आज का था कि 1 साल पुराना था कि 2 महीने पुराना था? वो उसको आइडिया बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. हिज फादर सजेस्टेड दैट स्मोकिंग रॉक साउंडेड लाइक अ रेफरेंस टू अ वल्केनो सिंस देयर वर नो वल्केनोज इन द विसिनिटी. विसिनिटी मीन्स नियर बाय, क्लोज टू. द बर्ड माइट हैव come from hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross leg and had watched the bird fly off. अभी उसने क्या किया फ्रिट्स ने? उसने और एक नोट लिखी and he tied on the leg of that albatross. And the albatross flew away. The note told whoever received it, do not despair. The help is near. This message was written. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. अभी जो woman वो स्मोकिंग रॉक पे अकेली थी, उसका नाम क्या था? जेनी मॉन्ट्रोज. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. She was shy first, but now she was habituated to live with Robinson family. One day, they saw a ship which had lead anchor. An encampment had been set up. Encampment मतलब क्या? Temporary accommodation बोलते हैं. मतलब either huts or tents. An encampment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. After checking the people through their spyglass, small telescope, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. They did not want the crew to think they were savages. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. अभी क्या हो गया, एक दिन कैप्टन एक शिप को लेकर उनको ढूंढते हुए आ गया वहाँ पे. और किसने भेजा था? By that Jenny Monroe's father. His father had inspired the captain to search them. He believed that his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. और वो मिल गए उनको. एक दिन रेस्क्यू हेल्प आ गई उनके पास में आइलैंड पे. कैप्टन एंड हिज शिप. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers, and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. सबको क्या हो गया? बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज हो गया. सब सरप्राइज हो गए, बहुत बड़े आश्चर्यचकित जिसको बोलते हैं कि अरे हाउ दिस फैमिली इज स्टिल अलाइव आफ्टर 10 years. क्या हो गया था? वो कहाँ पे आ गए थे? एक आइलैंड पे थे. एंड हाउ द फैमिली इज स्टिल सर्वाइविंग. सो एवरीबडी वॉज अमेज्ड by their surviving and by their good health. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. अभी फादर ने क्या अनाउंस कर दिया कि जिनको शिप पे रहना है, जिनको आइलैंड पे रहना है, दे कैन लिव ऑन द आइलैंड. और जिनको शिप के साथ वापस जाना है वो क्या कर सकते हैं? दे कैन मूव अहेड विद द शिप बैक टू द होम. As the day ended, father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but the island. अभी एलिजाबेथ एंड उसके हस्बैंड उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया? दैट दे विल लिव ऑन द आइलैंड. दे हैड बीन देयर फॉर सो लॉन्ग and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. Now Jenny wanted to return to England. उसको वापस जाना था. तो फ्रिट्स ने क्या डिसाइड किया? फ्रिट्स भी जेनी के साथ वापस जाएगा इंग्लैंड. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Ernest on the other hand wanted to stay on the island. अर्नेस्ट ने क्या डिसाइड किया? कि वो आइलैंड पर ही रहने वाला है. फ्रांस द यंगेस्ट जैक also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz. 2 जन आइलैंड पर ही रहने वाले थे एंड 2 जन वापस इंग्लैंड में जाने वाले थे. फ्रांस एंड फ्रिट्स दे वर लीविंग फॉर इंग्लैंड. फ्रांस wanted a chance to receive an academic education. So before Fritz left, he told his parents for his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. So Fritz decided to marry Jenny. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. Then the ship departed. अभी फादर ने क्या किया? उन्होंने सारे records कर लिए and he handed over those records over the journals to the captain. और उसकी क्या इच्छा थी? That the journals should be published about the adventure of the story. So here we have completed the story. How family Robinson, Elizabeth, husband and the 4 children, they were caught in a storm. They reached the island and how they lived there happily for 10 years. How they survived there happily with good health for 10 years. Okay, so here we have completed the story. I am sure students you have understood the story. Now regarding the notes English workshop, I will send you on WhatsApp. Okay, now okay then, goodbye all of you.